morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. Some would say that it's Whiskey Wednesday. I have been known to say Whimsical Wednesday. But actually, I like to call this Menu Wednesday. Because this is the day of the week that I start putting together the menu for next week. It all starts with the Braley/Bel Air weekly ad. And then I bring suggestions to Robin based on the ad, what I have in stock in my pantry and freezers, and what I'm craving and what Robin is craving. So, that's my Wednesday. Last night, took it super easy, and we did a chef salad bar. All the trimmings, all the fixings. It was a very fun and nice meal. Tonight, we're doing something very similar, but a baked potato bar. Now, I did some research because I was trying in my head, kind of going, what are the things that we put in a baked potato? So I did a search, and I come up with almost a page and a half of suggestions. And I'm going to just look at this. One of the items which I thought was kind of weird was corned beef, crumbled and cooked crumbled sausage. Oh, what else is on here? Plain Greek yogurt. I can see that in the replacement or substitution for sour cream. It was just, and sauerkraut. I'm Polish, so I never would have thought of that. But the list went on and on and on. So I actually presented Robin with the list that says, pick the items that you would like. So let's get to it. Got some hardware. Of course, we have russet potatoes, bacon, one of Robin's favorites. I'll make this bacon crispy. She actually chose horseradish. Of course, we gotta have some butter. I'm still debating whether I'm going to saute the onion or if I'm going to just leave it, dice it and leave it, raw. I put in the diced jalapenos. We got some sour cream. We'll have some avocado. And of course, good old shredded cheese. So yeah, again, it's super simple, but the next 3 days are full meals. So, yeah, just taking it because sometimes Robin just likes to have something simple. I can't blame her for that. All right, I just checked the computer before doing this. Casual Chef's Kitchen is sitting at 1,699 members. And just so you know, all you members, I look at your profiles, as you join. Mostly because I want to see where you're from. This is 100 members in less than a week. And they're from all over the United States. There was only one in the last 50-ish that was from Yuba City or Sacramento. They're from Texas, New York, Nebraska, Alaska, Canada. They're from New York. They're from everywhere across the United States, Arizona. So look for that announcement when we hit 1,700. I can thank all you folks. So yeah, thank you. On this Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.